Hey guys, it's Matthew from Matthew's Fan Videos, and today I am doing a special fan video for you guys. This fan video is to honor my 2-year anniversary on YouTube. That's right, I joined YouTube April 21st, 2018, and right now it is 2020, so that means I've been on YouTube for 2 years. And to celebrate, we're going to be doing another What's Inside video for you guys today. And this time, for my What's Inside video, we're gonna be doing a What's Inside of this Honeywell 16-inch oscillating stand fan model HS1655. So, I'm gonna go ahead and take this fan apart, and right after I take this fan apart, I'm gonna catch back to you guys. The reason why I say that is because it's gonna take me a little bit to take this fan apart, so catch you guys later. Okay, so I finally got the fan taken apart, and this is what it looks like. This right here is the motor, guys, and this stick right here is what you would put the blades on, and these sticks sticking out of here is how the blades connect. And I did loosen this part so that way I could show you guys more, but I can't really take it off because, yeah, the oscillation knob is there and I can't seem to unscrew it, so this is the best I can do. In here, you've got the oscillating mechanism right there. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but that's it right there. Here it is from another angle. Yep. So, now that I've shown you guys the inside, let's go ahead and put this fan back together. So, catch you guys later, again. Alright, so, the fan's all together now, and there you guys have it, the What's Inside video for my 2-year anniversary of my Honeywell 16-inch all-swing stand fan model HS1655. I hope you guys liked this video and enjoyed it as well, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.